Welcome to day number 14. In today's lesson, we'll learn about achune. Achune. This comes from the word chuno, which means to force to do something. Ne oyueyo laro gi achune. Ne oyueyo laro gi achune. Achune. Achunga. Achunga. Chung means stand, so placed facing upwards. Like when you have a sack of potatoes and you prop it up, that is achunga. Achunga. Placed facing upwards. The third word is achur. Achur. Achur is a pneumonia found in goats. Achur. Achur. And the fourth word of the day is achuta. Achuta. Raw, especially when you're eating meat. So you can say achamo ringo achuta. Achamo ringo achuta. Achuta. And the last word of the day is achuth. Achuth. The achuth, many achuth is achude. The plural is achude. That's a vulture. Achude gi owuok kanye. Achude gi owuok kanye. Achuth. Achuth. Achude. Achude. That's it for the day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.